This is the evolution of warfare.
For 10,000 years, one thing has only improved. In prehistoric times, you had to stand face to face with the man you were about to kill.
In the early Holocene,
27 people slaughtered in a single morning. The oldest confirmed massacre in human history.
in the Bronze Age, 500 men locked shields and marched forward, while the ranks behind pushed the front line straight into enemy spears. In ancient Greece, the Theban phalanx slaughtered 1,000 Spartans in under an hour. In the late Roman era, Gothic horsemen destroyed 2 Roman legions in 60 minutes, killing 20,000 men. During the Crusades, 92 machines hurled 300-pound stones until the last Crusader stronghold in the Holy Land was rubble. In the High Middle Ages, sieges dragged on for 3 months to 2 years. Most castles fell not to assault, but to starvation. In the early gunpowder era, iron cannons cracked stone walls that had defied every army for centuries. During the Ottoman conquest, a single 1,200-pound cannonball smashed through walls. Constantinople fell in 53 days. In the Renaissance, 3,000 peasants with cheap firearms slaughtered 700 elite mercenaries in 30 minutes.
Armor and training no longer meant survival.
Synchronized musket volleys cut down 7,600 troops in one afternoon. During the American Revolution, 25-year-old bookseller dragged 60 tons of cannon 300 miles. British fleet fled Boston 11 days later. In the Industrial Age, steam railways moved 30,000 soldiers in weeks.
July 1st, 1960, 100,000 British soldiers walked into German guns, with 50,000 dead or wounded before sunset. April 22nd, 1915, Belgium. German engineers opened 6,000 cylinders, killing 1,100 soldiers in 10 minutes.
November 20th, 1917, France. 476 tanks crossed trenches that had stopped infantry for 3 years.
August 6th, 1945, Hiroshima. 80,000 people dead instantly. Direct war between nuclear superpowers became impossible. B-2 bombers flew from Missouri to hit Belgrade and flew home with no ground troops to board. In the post-9/11 wars, a CIA operator in Virginia pressed a button and killed a target 7,000 miles away. The age of remote killing had begun. In Ukraine, $500 drones caused 70 to 80% of all battlefield deaths. Drones dropped grenades from 650 feet onto sleeping soldiers at dawn.
In Iran, a 30-pound bomb punched through 200 feet of reinforced concrete and detonated inside Iranian nuclear sites.
Israeli jets dropped bombs that navigated by matching live camera footage to stored images. Iran's entire GPS jamming network was useless. 14 American warships fired simultaneous missile salvos. Iran's entire air defense network was wiped out in 90 minutes.
Drones identified, tracked, and struck targets completely on their own, without any human approval. February 28, 2026, Tehran. AI surveillance confirms Supreme Leader Khamenei's exact location inside his compound. B-1B bombers flew 30-hour non-stop missions and struck 1,000 targets across Iran in 24 hours. The pattern is always the same. A new weapon appears. It democratizes or concentrates power. Then something cheaper, faster, or more precise replaces it. "10,000 years later, the weapon changed every generation. The objective never did. Physics proves that observation changes behavior. History changes when seen." Thank you for watching.